In this video, we will show you how to back up iPhone without Wi-Fi. Here is how to back up iPhone data to iCloud Drive without Wi-Fi. Step 1. Click on the Settings option on an iPhone's home screen, then open the iCloud. Step 2. Click and enable iCloud Drive. Then scroll down to the far bottom to enable the Use Cellular Data switch. Note that using this technique might cost you, especially when you're on a limited mobile data plan. Here is how to back up iPhone data without Wi-Fi using Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Step 1. Launch the Coolmuster iOS Assistant software on the computer and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. After your device has been detected, switch to the Super Toolkit area. Step 2. On your primary interface, click on iTunes Backup and Restore, then the backup icon. Step 3. Tap the Browse icon to choose where you wish to save the backup files. Then click the OK icon to back up your iOS data. Here is how to back up iPhone data without Wi-Fi using iTunes. Step 1. Open iTunes, then connect the iPhone to your computer via working USB cable. Step 2. After connecting the device successfully, you'll see a phone-shaped button appearing on the menu bar. Just tap on the icon. Then navigate to the Settings area of iTunes and choose the Summary option. Step 3. A box containing all the backup details and information will appear. Just tap on the Backup Now icon to start the backup process.